So if you are facing this problem, Pikashow playback failed error, so you have to follow these steps. So first of all, make sure your device is connected to a fast and stable internet connection. Close the Pikashow app completely and relaunch it to clear any temporary playback glitches. Tap on the video and try selecting a different streaming link or server as the current one may be down. Inside Pikashow, go to settings and switch to a different media player for better playback capabilities. Go to video settings inside Pikashow and lower the streaming quality to fix playback issues on slower connection. Go to device settings, find Pikashow under apps, tap clear cache and then reopen the app. If clearing cache did not help, go back to the same menu and tap clear data to fully reset the app. If you are using VPN, try turning it off as it can sometimes interfere with video playback on Pikashow. Open your browser and search for the latest Pikashow APK to make sure you are running the most recent variant. Go to settings and check your device storage. If it's full, delete unnecessary files to free up some space. If the error still persists, go to settings, find Pikashow under apps, tap uninstall and reinstall a fresh variant. So by following these steps, your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching.